Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2016 Lincoln MKX. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Prepare to take your driving pleasure to new heights and enjoy the best of modern efficiency and style. You'll love the advanced safety features, quiet cabin, and responsive handling this vehicle has to offer. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth, seat memory, trip computer, steering wheel controls, power windows, bucket seats, cruise control. Smooth, sporty style was never so smart. See for yourself when you take a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.